Right, Rolando.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get up on top.
It's a big skylight. A double insulated.
A typical skylight's only a 3-inch lip. 3 inches, we had this custom made. Here I go with the way the builder did this. It's right in the area where it's a problem area. If you look at the transitions on the flat with the slope. So the water is coming here, possibly damming up and backing up,
Yeah.
and then escaping. This other way, we soldered this at an angle with the slope of the roof. That's going to set fine.
So they
Water
can't.
will run and go
I
out.
see. You can't back up.
And the flange here is 2.5 inches, 2.5. Right here, look at this one. Look on this one on this lower side. That's the typical skylight.
Oh, yeah.
So what we did, if it rains from this direction, it can leak. It's a small flange,
Yeah.
and it gives a lack of pitch. So here, we made a larger flange on all 3 sides, and it's welded there.
Yeah. That's a lot better.
Anyway.
That's amazing. We're taking off the old skylight.
So where do you want this to?
It's going to be exposed to the kitchen.
Okay, watch it, watch it. Oh, it's a kitchen.
Watch this. I don't want anything falling in.
Okay.
You gotta be careful.
Okay.
Yep.
Tráeme un pedacito, tío. Corner. Yes, the corner.
We're gonna put a bead of caulk under it.
Nomás quiero ver. No, necesito que me lo bajen un poquito más abajo. Okay. Okay.
Just to hold it in place.
Okay.
Till we screw it in.
Perfect. ¿Está caliente usted, tío? Está caliente, ok. Muy grandecito, sí. Ok, bájalo. Nomás, tengo mucho para arriba, ¿no? A ver, déjame ir para arriba. Oh, no, está la fresa está muy allá. ¿Le puedo dar? Ahí está.
Yeah, that's good.